All right, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and I'm showing you the kit for the Fake Pocket Remastered mini album. There is a preview video and a construction video already up, so give that a look. And if you're interested in the kits, they're pretty simple. I did cut out a couple of these dies. These are Prima Persian lace dies. So you get 2 black ones. You get all the magnets that you need for this album. Prima's Midnight Garden paper collection. And look at that maroon and those feathers. Absolutely gorgeous. So you get this 24 sheets paper. The flowers. What's also cool about the flowers is there's a little sheet in here, just a little extra sheet that you can use as ephemera for the album. So you get these flowers and then the ephemera pack. You can see everything in that. And then black cardstock and chipboard for the album cover and the pages. So that's it. There's your kit. Tutorials also on the blog, construction video, preview video. All the links are below. The website's www.webofcreativity.net.